Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. This is a quick word about Chloe's kittens. She had 5, 4 survived. I named the one that we buried uh, Smoke. It was a gray, a medium gray. Anyway, you can't bury a pet's baby and say, "Dear Lord, take the soul of number 3 to you and comfort." You can't do that. Got to give it a name. Uh, I got a couple of shots of the other 4 and Mama. I'm going to put them on after this. It's been 24 hours, and they seem happy. She seems content. Earlier today, I heard her laying in the bus going purr, purr. You know how they do when they're secure and content and all that. She's a good mommy. I mean, 5, 6 times she went back to Smoke and tried to revive, licking, massaging, live, baby, live, but just not to be. Anyway, good night from California. Further updates on the kitty cats, and if you're one of the lucky ones, you don't have to take one home with you. But if you're not unlucky, we're going to stick you with a kitten. Oh yeah, we gotta get rid of them. We can't have them. Sorry, but they'll get good homes. Promise. No python owners. No bass fishermen. No one who wants to train a pit bull for viciousness. Find little girls out of the stores. Oh, isn't this cute? Where's your mommy? Here, take this and run. You don't know me. No, the box. 4 of them in it. We don't want to be fast food. Take one of us home. Oh. Anyway, good night from California. Further updates on the cats, on the kittens, as they're worthwhile.